What's up, my besties? Welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned.
Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it if you with it, and what's the hold up?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, y'all please excuse the power tools in the background, but yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But today we have an Amazon find, which was brought to you by my husband. He found this on Amazon. He said, "Babe, this is something you could use. I think you said you don't like putting glue on your hair, so give this a try." So we ordered it and it came, and this is what it looked like. It has lace in the front and a Velcro in the back, so you can adjust it to your head size as well. And it has, I think it's silk all around the perimeter. I think it's silk. Don't correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm here trying it on just to show you guys what it looks like while it's on my head. And you line the part up with the part of your wig. So wherever your part is on your wig, you line that up, the cap up on your head. And this cap is for people who don't like gluing their wigs down, don't like putting hairspray on their wigs and stuff like that. This is the perfect wig cap. I still kind of like spraying mine down, but this can do the job for a throw on and go situation. And if you know what I mean by throw on and go, basically putting this cap on and throwing your wig on. Now, I'm going to use a wig that I've been used. I've been had this wig for about 2 months. I still have the same baby hairs I had when I took it off. So, I'm going to throw it on so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're going to adjust the scraps in the back. I think I'm tightening it just a little bit for a snugger fit. So, because we're not putting anything on this wig. We're not going to put no spray. We're not going to put no glue, nothing. We're just going to wear it just like this. So, I got my scrap adjusted, and I'm pulling my wig back into place. And it's going to magically disappear right before you guys' eyes. Can you tell so far? Yeah. It's giving what it's supposed to give. The part is pretty decent. So, y'all stick around and I'm gonna style this wig and I'll come back to you. see, we are finally done curling my hair. I got some heat protectant that I'm going to spray on my hand. I'm just showing y'all how the lace look without anything on it. I'm going to take this heat protectant and rub it all the way through my curls just to keep the frizz down when I'm hand combing them out. They are so juicy and bouncy. Y'all, check out my website at girlsbestfriend.com. I have some wigs available. This hair collection is the bomb. So if you haven't had a wig from me, check out my website. I will have it in the description below, and as well as the link to this wig cap below. So if you're interested, please check it out. And thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I can't wait to bring more to this channel. Love you guys and stay blessed.
Got you.